Well, sadly, the St. Louis round of the SMX playoffs has put an end to Maximus Vohland's season. If you missed this in the 250 seeding qualifying session during the practice start, Davies hits Deegan, Deegan hits Vohland, Vohland hits then Seth Hammaker and Levi Kitchen, taking down Kitchen in the end too. And you missed this, got up immediately holding his, well, favoring his right arm. And this is it right there. Just one of those stupid practice starts things. One person gets into another and cascades from there. You can't say this is like intentional on anybody's part. It's just one of those things that obviously practice starts or starts in general, they feed into a certain amount of space and there's more people than there is space. Things happen. You touch somebody's bar and it just kind of sadly ends up like this. For him, obviously, not the way you want the season to end, especially considering, with the injury problems he's had to make it this far in the season, it's, sad to see. Finishing, 7th in the 250 East Division, finishing 8th in the Pro Motocross Championship, and at the moment was sitting 17th in the SMX overall standings. And after this, he went to Instagram with a response, whatever you want to call it, saying, quote, wanted to give everyone a quick update. I ended up with a dislocated right elbow. After a few x-rays at the hospital, they were able to reduce it pretty quickly. Luckily, no fractures, so it looks like a straightforward recovery. I'll be starting my off-season a little earlier. I want to give a special thanks to my mechanic who never stopped pushing and helped me develop a whole new way of riding this year. Looking forward to taking what we learned and building on it for an even stronger season at Club MX. So hopefully he can. That next year he can refine the, a brake and clutch on the one side that he's been racing and, have a full season injury, knock on wood, no injury season. Let's go with that. But you guys tell me, comments down below. Are you excited for Vegas, the final round of the playoffs? Who do you think wins? Obviously, I'm assuming Jet Lawrence for the 450s, but do you think Shimoda or Deegan or somebody else for the 250s? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.